this is Trev and welcome to my blog. Artec Welding contacted me the other day and they said, Trev, would you be interested in having one of our all new products, and also could you please review it on your channel, which was nice. So anyway, here it is. It comes in a much smaller box than I expect something from Artec to come in, very compact, and it has some pretty unique features, including an unlimited duty cycle, and also comes with Artec's standard warranty, provided you don't drop it on the floor. It also features an all-new vertical handle. Now this doesn't supersede the MuG180, this is an all-new product. It's called the MuG180 and it takes completely different consumables to what you would expect it to, so you're going to have to get used to some new terms now. We're talking 78% Colombian, 46% Colombian, and pretty much anything that comes in a bag as well. It can also use, you have to supply the consumables yourself. Artec won't do that for you. Little bit of a minus point, but anyway, let's get it unboxed and let's see what we've got. I can see I'm going to need a large appliance to run this. %76% Colombian. So there we have it, the new MuG180 from Artec. As promised, no singing in this one, guys. Boyka, boyka! Oh, sorry, that just slipped out there.